Peace, love, wholeness, family. Welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing this, that means the message is for you. So go ahead and receive it as it resonates. If it don't, just let it fly and keep it pushing, y'all. I hope y'all are doing well, taking care of yourselves, doing the best that you can for you and yours. We're gonna get right into some messages, okay? Yeah, let's do these oracles first and then hop into the tarot. What was I just hearing? See, I was picking up on a lot of messages. Just now, but we gonna see what come out, because right now, as I split the deck, it's like, but I split the deck on success and pride, and Spirit don't want you to let your pride get in the way of your success. Gratitude. Honoring that you are successful here and now. Honoring how you feel, and it's like reevaluating your priorities and what you call it, and reprioritizing as well of what's important to you. And that's not what I was gonna say. What was the word? Redefining what success is to you. I was picking up on a lot of messages before I had turned on this camera, but I didn't write them down because I just didn't. But let's see what's going on for my collective family at this time. Yeah, it's like you could be let Spirit take over instead of like rushing through those uploads that I was getting before. Yeah, I keep seeing success. Before I had turned out this video. You could be guided, focused on your creative projects at this time, your creative ideas that you're working on and piecing together, coming together, getting it together. And yeah, Spirit is having you in focus in your flow. Empathy at the bottom of the deck. I am open to seeing both sides of a situation with change underneath if you want to embrace the changes and honor how you feel, what you need. Yeah, honor what you need, how you feel, what you need. Yeah, and it's like, okay, yeah, because this keep coming up. Yeah, and then we got service at the bottom of the deck. It's like you could be in this mood of like and that's why Spirit is saying don't let your pride get in the way, okay? Because you could have experienced a lot of adversity in your workplace, right? Within your workplace, especially for my creatives who your workspace is your creative space as well. So it impacts your ideas, and it impacts what you contribute, right? What you create. And it's like Spirit is guiding you to prioritize your health and making those changes and trying something different. And I feel like your perspective is shifting as you are healing. Because on some real, like, I'm finna be a big old baby the next couple of days because I'm going on another tolerance break. And I did. I have folded and just got my feelings a little too much. But yeah, it's like you are being called and guided to really prioritize your health, what it is you need, what it is, and just being in the present moment as well. Handling your responsibilities, like I said in the beginning of the video, like redefining what success is to you. And it's like, yeah, because I don't want to just ramble. Be patient with yourself too, because I feel like yeah, it's like you're making peace with the pressure, okay, if that makes sense. And let's go on ahead and read these cards, because I'm picking up a lot, y'all. See, and this is why I also feel called to, because like, it's like a lot of y'all, yeah, y'all could, yeah, okay. Spirit wants you to focus on your focus. Spirit wants you to focus on your focus and put it in reprioritize, okay? Because Spirit is sending you in the courage to, the strength and the courage to detach from whatever it is you feel called to detach from. Spirit is sending, and this could be in regards to your health matters, like certain foods you feel guided to stop eating, or this could also be, again, your vices, just taking a break, going on a tolerance break. But you could feel some type of way behind the pressure of I'm thinking about that tweet about, that I resonated with, about, it was like, what was it? It was like, it's not about the quantity of the eyes on you, it's about the quality of the gaze of the eyes that's on you. So like, you could be feeling, the pressure, but at the same time working on a lot and handling a lot behind the scenes and feeling guided to. Or you could even just have a bunch of ideas flowing, that you need some space to yourself. And yeah, that's what I was, yeah, because you could feel the pressure of like people trying to put over your head that you're selfish, or like, you know, uh, you could feel the pressure of like, um because you are being called to protect your energy at the same time, protect yourself. You could, yeah, you know, and set your boundaries. That you, there's people in your ear like, dang, bitch, get it the fuck out. Like, what? Why? Who? What's going on? Like, get your words. Get your words. Find your words. Gratitude. But now, Spirit's like, this is the season where you need to be really selfish. You need to be really selfish, okay? There could be somebody in that energy feeling guilty, um, for like not prioritizing you as well, okay? And yeah, they could be, it's like weighing on them. And that's the thing, it's like, because here's the thing, it's like, I do love y'all. I do love showing up for y'all. But, like, I just get real. It's just like, yo, no, this should be getting on my nerves for real. Like, and, yeah, so I've been needing to take my space to, like, go within and stuff like that. And yeah, folks is like, you feel a lot of depression. And if, and even, what are you trying to say, girl? Get your words. Like, dang. It's like, my babble. But no. Because it's like, I feel like you could be feeling over it, like exhausted behind the pressures of the media, and um just on your specific journey, just where you are here and now on your journey, because you are being guided to make these changes in your life and reprioritize what truly matters, and make changes and sacrifices that will propel you in the direction of your highest self, your most authentic self, your most loving self, your most righteous path. Being in alignment with the divine, Mother Nature, Mother Earth, to whom you praise. And the balance within, the balance with masculine as well. Is Mercury in retrograde? Cause what's going on with my words? It's like somebody's stumbling with their words, but I feel like that's that's you too. That's you too. You could have somebody in your energy where y'all both make each other like speechless almost. Where it's like direct communication cannot be y'all strong suit, if that makes sense. But you guys communicate in other beautiful ways as well. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and pull some yes, with purpose at the bottom of the deck. You know what you're here to do, okay? So be in flow. Like you could be letting your pride get in the way. All right. Oh. All right. What else? What else? Cause I'm already through. Like I'm already ready to be up off of this. Like yeah, I feel like y'all is exhausted, Divine Feminine. Y'all is stressed and tired. Okay, behind these propagandas, these pressures, these social medias, and just trying to take care of yourself, take care of your families, your children, take care of everything, and have to pay all these bills, have to be cautious of these poison foods and all this other bullshit going on. It's like I feel like y'all is just over it. Like y'all's just over the same old. So you've been being guided to detach and to dive deeper with yourself and go within. And it could be hard. It really could be hard, especially with there's this sort of responsibility you feel through the pressures, right? This responsibility you feel, but and just being who you are, like you just you have a hard time putting yourself first because you are taking care of everybody else. While they're putting you through adversity and not really pouring back into your cup love, support, clarity, honesty, or depending on who it is. And you're just over it. And transmuting that energy and focus on what's really important to you. Your health, your passions, your ideas that the divine is pouring into you. And again, y'all have a breakthrough, excuse me, in the works. Y'all have a breakthrough coming in the works in real life. The divine most high, a blessing, a shift, a change. After you come up out of this shadow period in a few weeks, I'm thinking next month. So just in your personal life, individually. So be patient with yourself, okay? But at the same time, it could be hard. But that's why Spirit wants you to get focused. You're coming up out of diving deep in the shadows at this time. Yeah. You're making the next necessary changes and sacrifices, and that you need sacrifices of your ego, of you just getting in your own way and making more commitments to Spirit, and allowing yourself to receive divine love and the blessings that is written in the stars for you. Okay, I feel yeah, and coming up out of this confusion energy with yourself, or even with the people that you love, that may be interrupting your flow, okay? And yeah. In negative ways. Trying to confuse you or manipulate you or tell you wrong, or like steer you wrong, like people projecting ill will onto you, onto your journey, onto who you are, or projecting limitations and stuff like that. Like if you resonate with the truth, allow yourself to be open and surrender. Allow yourself to listen. That's the type of time you're coming into, like being present, honoring your spirit, being present, reuniting and reconciling with Mother Nature as well, and reuniting and reconciling with those blessed relationships that feel like they're sent from nature, from the divine, from your guides. Alright, y'all. My little baby just got up, so I'm about to end this message. I'm about to just leave it at that, alright? Let me pull a few. Actually, I had already pulled some, but yeah, let me get off of here and yeah, that's the message, y'all. Hope that helps, hope it resonates. If it do, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, hold on. What are you doing? Go ahead, boo. Yeah, y'all. Let me just pull a couple of these real quick. But yeah, if you need a one-on-one, go ahead and email me. My email's in the description. I didn't even pull no tarot, but let's see. Spirit's like, if not now, then when? You are an amazing parent. Your 10th house could be illuminated at this time. Your long-term goals, your foundation, your career, your reputation, your status, your public image, your masculine side, and the home. Yeah, my baby just got up, so I'm finna go. 10-10, yeah, this cycle is being closed out right now. I do have more to share. It's just not coming out at this time. And more uploads that I've been receiving from the divine. There's an earth angel that turned karmic trying to attack you. Well, it's probably a few of them, to be honest, but we're not keeping track. Honor your righteous anger. Honor your feelings. Because it's like, yeah, I feel like y'all is channeling your anger in more fruitful, abundant ways. You have like this magnetic energy about you, this magnetic aura. Your aura is magnetic. You are prosperous over this evil sister. I feel like y'all is still honoring y'all boundaries and detaching. See, I did do a video earlier. I did a couple videos too that I haven't felt called to post, but I did a video earlier. I got it on private, but it's just like, yeah, you're still in this energy of like, like honoring your boundaries and with your family members that are persistent when trying to attack you and stuff like that. Y'all is coming out of that. It doesn't have to be, it could be a feminine, masculine as well. You are a star, baby, okay? You have time. Find your pace on your journey. It could be people in their head, they trapped in their head from power tripping over you, okay? Slow and steady wins the race, okay? Turtle pays, okay? Gratitude, Shango. But, yeah, Divine Feminine, I feel like this masculine is holding on to you heavily in your energy. It's not just family members, it's masculine past lovers as well, too, holding on to you heavily. You know, could have betrayed you, could have walked away from you, could have played in your face or tried to, okay? And I feel like they were just very inconsiderate of you, very inconsiderate of your needs, of your emotional needs, of how you view your perspective on the relationship, right? You know, I was about to stumble over my words. Yeah, it's like you could have come from, like, these overbearing masculine energies holding on to you, trying to control you, trying to control your voice, or even if that wasn't like their intentions, like in their intentions, it's like they're still healing from that those generational curses, from that masculine past, that masculinity past. And it's like, no, your spirit's not having that. And that's why you're having a hard time floating through this meta shit and social media shit, because there's just, your spirit is like not really resonating with these limitations, these societal limitations, and propagandas and things that they are projecting. But it's like, you could have masculines in your energy, not, yeah, they wasn't really considerate of you, how you feel, your needs, your emotional needs, putting you in this survival, hyper independent type energy. And yeah, it's like, nah, that's not where we starting. It's like some of these masculines could, you know, be in it. How you gonna buy me a house and we ain't even have a conversation? Like, yo, so you know what kind of house I need? Like, yo. On some real shit. But no, I'm just messing. But at the same time, it's like, yeah, you are very strong-willed. Okay? And so are they. And, yeah, it's just like, I don't know why that was so funny, but yeah, Spirit saying you knew better than to go back, okay? I don't know who that's for. You knew better than to go back. So, for whatever situation. But to each their own, because we gotta learn our lessons, okay? At the end of the day, when it comes to love, I'd rather have love and happiness. Just like my favorite show, Avatar. I just seen a little clip. It was like, Ira was like, it's good to choose love and happiness over perfection and power. So, yeah, no expectations. I feel like that's how you're You're moving, okay? You have a heart of an angel. Love personified, okay? Strong-willed. Have some compassion, okay? And you do. You're just tired, Divine Feminine. You're just tired. You're just tired of the fuck shit. Um, on all levels, even, but yeah, you're just tired of it. Like, you're tired of the repetitiveness. If you're going through your um, shadow period and coming up out of that shadow period and embracing these changes, like, it's like you will be celebrating, okay? Is what I'm hearing. It's like you're celebrating. You're celebrating. Spirit wants you to celebrate early, but you're celebrating these changes because you know it's happening, but at the same time, um, you're also used to being on you're so used to being on go, like on go, that when you finally do step into this new abundance, uh this new level, this new abundance, this new divine love blessed upon you, peace and joy, and just going through your emotions with your guides. It's like, yeah, there's a lifelong love here in the energy. Gratitude. Yeah, you're my baby. You're my baby. You're my baby, boo. Yes, don't even trip, Divine Family. Okay? Because your authentic path, you're gonna, listen, boo, you're gonna run into a lot if you have a hard time conforming, which you've always had a hard time conforming anyway. So, it is what it is, okay? But it's all about your perspective. So trust in divine timing. Ooh. Ooh. I know that's right, okay? You have nothing to prove. This is your journey. You own it. You are beautiful poetry in human form. Your fifth house could be illuminated as well. It's like you feel some type of way, bitch, because you're lovesick, okay? That's really all it is. And it is for real, because with all this shit going on, I just feel like I don't want to be bothered. If it ain't my boo, oh, excuse me. If it ain't my boo, if it ain't my boo, if it ain't my lover, my divine love, sent from Krishna, sent from the Most High. Listen, don't bother me. I don't even want it. Okay? I just, like, I'm not in the mood. Not right now. Okay? That's the type of time that y'all's on, like, exactly. Just very humble. Just very, yeah. While, you know, folks that you've been aligning with are determined to not appreciating you because they're jealous of your light. They feel some type of way about your light, okay? And the way you value relationships, you're letting go of those that don't value you as well. So it's really not that complicated, like, at all. Like, at this point in your life, Divine Family, you've been learning these lessons with your relationships and aligning with people that you have loved. And it may be a little hard. You may stumble, but it's cool because the divine got you, pulling you back up, blessing you, loving you, covering you. Where's the moon oracle? Yeah, I was gonna end the video, but I'm glad I didn't, because gratitude. But yeah, so yeah, that's why y'all feel like y'all need a little break. Yeah, Divine wants you to you know, share what you've been called to share and take your little break. And that's okay. You don't have to feel bound to the pressures. But yeah, it's like, yeah, we getting our shit together, okay? I feel like Divine Masculine and Divine Feminine is getting y'all shit together. Every time you tell the truth, you give birth to yourself, okay? So yeah. Every time you tell the truth, every time you speak from your heart, you give birth to yourself. So move in that alignment. They want you to shy away from speaking your truth because they're intimidated by your light, but no. You may be a little discombobulated and shit because of life and the fuck shit and the pressures and the quality of the gazes on you and shit like that. But yeah, you getting your shit together again, organized. What I was gonna say too is, yeah, masculine has been like confused. Masculine has to surrender to feminine this time around. Masculine has to surrender to divine feminine this time around. That is what I've been hearing over the last couple of days as well. Like, masculine been overworking, over planning, over preparing, overworking, overthinking. And not really considering divine. I want to get it. All right, well. And not really considering divine feminine the ways that she needs. Is that all, boo? That was the only one that fell?
Yes.
Oh, let's see these ones too. Ancient bloodline.
Mommy, I want honey.
Right now, baby, hold on. Gratitude. Capricorn, be mindful, okay? Because we got turned to stone energy by way of karmic lifestyle. So, yeah, it's like coming up out of that. Like, coming up out of that, it's like masculine could be overpressured or overworking. If they haven't confided in their feminine, if they haven't, yeah, that's real shit. And that's what's frustrating you too, Divine Family. That's what's frustrating you too, because you see through these propagandas and stuff like that, and you're just very mindful with your pace. But continue to do so, okay? Using your discernment behind these medias, all right? Because if they could, they would turn you into stone like they have been trying to. But again, I'm hearing Uncle Iroh on Avatar saying choosing love over power and perfection of you know spirituality or your journey or your gifts, or even in the industry, and by way of these dreams that they try to program onto us, okay, for their agendas and shit like that. So reprioritizing, reevaluating, reprioritizing what you got going on, and really figuring out what's a priority to you, and being that, doing that, deciding that, okay? I'm down, baby. I'm about to get up off of here. Go sit down. Okay, baby. See, yeah, it's like you could be feeling the pressure from, like, again, I keep saying it, you could be feeling the pressure of these medias and stuff like that. But yeah, masculine, you gotta confide in your feminine, because you could be overthinking, over planning. You could be, really, which is beautiful. Like, we love a planned out, well thought out, intelligent masculine. Like, we do. But honorable masculine, protective masculine, we do. We love all of that. But you still got to consider your feminine. You still got to surrender to your feminine, because you could be moving in ways of what you experienced in your past, or moving through projecting what you have experienced in your past. You could be trying to study feminine and figure out, so that you can have everything in order, so you can figure out her needs, or have everything planned out. But at the same time, it's like, nah, because you could it's like, nah, you still have to communicate and consider how divine feminines, and consider what divine feminine's vision is, how divine feminine's vision is, honoring divine feminine's vision, and coming together with masculine, so y'all can honor each other's vision and understand and nourish each other's vision to become one. Okay? All right, that's it. That's all. I thought I was gonna have to turn off the video earlier, but that's all I got for real, for real. Let's follow these moon oracles. A time for healing It is a time for healing, okay? Step out of your comfort zone. Expect powerful changes. Have faith in your dreams. Okay? That's it. That's all. I hope it helps. Hope it resonates. Everything's in the descriptions. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.